Welcome to this beautiful 7-bedroom home in Potamos Fjord. Even the smallest spaces have been thoughtfully designed, with built-in storage cleverly incorporated into the staircase. The spacious main bedroom features its own private bathroom, complete with a bathtub. And just beyond the bedroom is a private, covered outdoor space designed for relaxation. The property also benefits from solar panels for greater energy efficiency. With 7 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms, and spacious living across 3 floors, this is a home designed for both comfort and entertaining.